welcome to our first vlog! Yeah!
The game is very easy. So maglalaro lang tayo ng rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Again. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Natalo ka, ikaw yung tatakbo all the way there. And then siya kakainin niya yung pagkain. By the way, we have Jollibee for today. So thanks for Jollibee. Hindi to sponsored.
Yay!
Okay.
Hindi naman tayo kukunin ng Jollibee.
Okay.
Tambay
let's
lang
go.
tayo.
Are you ready?
Ready, ready, ready!
Okay, ready. The challenge starts now. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Okay, ready, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, shoe.